Alright, YouTube, welcome back. Today, we have a 2002 Chevy Silverado. And due to an unfortunate wind basketball hoop accident, the mirror is broken on the driver's side. This one's pretty easy. It's all manual, no heat. So, I already popped the top clip loose, but on this panel, get under the top, work your way down, pop the other one. There's just a drop in, hold it in place on the bottom. Piece of foam and 3 10mm bolts. Not bolts, nuts and washers. However, you want to be careful so you don't drop them down into the door frame. This mirror come from O'Reilly. I think it was $70. If anyone's interested, let me know. I'll get you the part number. It's all snugged up. Foam goes back into place. Hook on the panel. Drops in. Clips go in. Bang, bang, that's done. Switch back to the door clears. And now we have a new mirror. This truck was rolled over, so now that mirror is the nicest part on it. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.